Welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I'm going to be cooking in my kitchen and I have a delicious, healthy recipe for you guys. It is a cauliflower roast. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's great for a Thanksgiving meal or just on those cold days that you just want to have a hearty meal. This is something you guys will enjoy. So what you're going to need are these items. I already have them displayed. So I got me some water for later. I got me a head of cauliflower. I got some black pepper, paprika. I got some garlic powder, thyme, parsley, ginger, and onion powder. I also have me 4 carrots, 4 potatoes. I'm using this Worcestershire sauce. This is a vegetarian brand. I'm also using a liquid amino for my soy sauce. And I have pancake syrup, and we have some vegetable broth and cornstarch. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shred my carrots and chop them up, and then chop up these and then get those prepared, and then we're going to work on the gravy for our dish. I'm going to start by putting my oven on at 450. I'm going to check to see if I have anything in there. Okay, it's good. First thing we're going to do is we're going to arrange our vegetables in here. So I'm going to put this to the side so you guys will be able to see that. Let me bring it here. So I got that. I'm going to clean my cauliflower first. So what you're wanting to do is you want to take off all the greens, and you want to take off some of the core, but try not to take off too much. I ended up taking off too much and my cauliflower fell apart. That's not what you want to do. And also you want to shave off any brown spots or any spots that you don't like. Then you want to rinse your cauliflower. What you're going to do is you don't really want your cauliflower to fall apart like mine did. You want them to stay together. So I'm going to try to put mine back together as best as I can. I don't know how this was. This goes here. Or just kind of do it this way. So now I'm going to have it like that. We will peel our potatoes. I'm not that good at peeling my potatoes with a knife. I tend to take off too much, so I think I'm going to use my peeler. After your potatoes are peeled, you're going to dice them up, and then you're going to put them around your cauliflower, and you're going to do the same with your carrots. Our family likes the carrots shredded, so I went ahead and shredded our carrots, but you don't have to. Just make sure that they're nice and clean, and then arrange them around your cauliflower. Whenever we shred carrots in our house, Brody knows, and he absolutely loves carrots. That's one of his favorite snacks. So you'll see me dropping some carrots down towards him, and also you'll see Sissy taking some carrots from the bowl. Since my cast iron is the small one, I'm changing it out for our extra large one. This one was the better fit. I can actually add more potatoes and carrots if I really wanted to. I think next time I will add at least one more potato and one more carrot to this, but it worked out really good. We're going to set this to the side and we're going to work on our gravy that we're going to pour into here. in our saucepan, we are going to make our gravy. We are going to start off with 3 cups of vegetable broth, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I'm using a liquid amino. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of pancake syrup or maple syrup, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do 3 teaspoons of the Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, 3. I got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there. 1 teaspoon of parsley. 3/4 of a teaspoon of thyme. 3/4 of a teaspoon of sage. And I got 1 teaspoon of paprika. It calls for smoked paprika, but I don't have that, so I just have regular. So I'm gonna put that in there. And we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we're gonna whisk this together. Where's my little whisk? And we're going to just, you're gonna bring this to a boil, and then you're gonna turn it down to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Oh, it smells so good. You guys could use this gravy for mashed potatoes and stuff like that. So you don't have to just use it for this recipe. It's really good on mashed potatoes. I'm going to mix 1/2 cup of water with 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yes, slowly. Now I'm going to add in my cornstarch sludge slowly to the mixture. This is going to start to slowly thicken this gravy up. Now that I mix this up, I'm going to put it back on the burner for another 3 minutes. Third cup of gravy into the middle of this. You want to try to keep your cauliflower together. If you guys have a super large cauliflower, you could always steam this prior before you're using it like this way. I'm just gonna have it this way. I never steamed it before, even though this one is a pretty large one. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some gravy and pour it in here. I'm just gonna use this. Just about 1/3 cups. So what you want to do is you want to kind of shake it around and get the gravy into all of those cracks and whatever you want to call them. So that is what you want to do. And then you're going to actually turn your gravy upside down. So I'm gonna try to do this. I need to do this upside down. I'm gonna put this upside down. Oh, I'm not going like this. Maybe this isn't gonna work. Go like this. Upside down. Let's stick again. There we go. Yeah. And this one goes over here. I wish my cauliflower didn't fall apart on me. I'm just going to pour about 1/3 cup over the vegetables, the gravy. I'm just gonna do this. And then I'm gonna brush on gravy on here. You're going to cover this as tightly as you can with aluminum foil. You're going to bake this for 40 minutes and then we're going to take it out, add some more gravy on top, and then we're going to bake it again. Alexa, set the timer on for 40 minutes. I went ahead and took out the roast and we covered it up with some more gravy. We did about 1/3 cup on it, brushed it all over the cauliflower, and pour some more on the carrots and potatoes. And then we're gonna take off the tin foil. We're gonna bake that for another 30 minutes. And as that was baking, we made some croissants instead of biscuits, because they didn't have biscuits, they only had the butter kind, and we can't have that one, so we made croissants for the whole family to eat. Another side dish you can do is a house salad or even mashed potatoes. The kids wanted it mashed potatoes, but I wasn't gonna make mashed potatoes today, so this meal will be great for Thanksgiving or on a cozy fall night. If you guys decide to try this recipes, please let me know in the comments below and let me know how you guys liked it. And I can't wait for you guys to see the final touches of this roast. Here is the roast, guys. Look at that. Nice and bubbly. Super delicious, guys. Look at that gravy. It's so yummy. What an easy meal to make. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed this roast. It was so yummy. It's one of my family's favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.